Hello, greetings everybody. Welcome to my video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to rationalize sets. That is rationalization of sets. Rationalization of sets. In the first place, we'll look at how to rationalize a set with a monomial denominator. Rationalize sets with monomial denominator. That's, we look at monomial. How to rationalize sets with monomial denominator. Now, example of a set with monomial denominator is 1 over root of 2, 1 over 4 root 5, 3 over root of 11. You can list several examples of sets that has monomial denominator. That is, the denominator has only one term, as you can all see. So how do we rationalize such a set? In the first place, all that we do is that we multiply both numerator and denominator by the set in the denominator. So let's look at that. Let's rationalize the first one, A. So to rationalize 1 over root of 2, we write 1 over root of 2 times root of 2 over root of 2. That is, we multiply both numerator and denominator by root of 2. And you can see that this is the same as the right hand side is the same as the left hand side. Why? Because root of 2 over root of 2 is the same as 1. That's, you can cancel this one, then we have 1. So let's continue. So we simplify by multiplying the numerators and the denominators. So we have 1 times root of 2 giving us root of 2 all over root of 2 times root of 2, you know, is same as 2. This is same as 1 over 2 root 2. So that is how we rationalize sets with monomial denominators. That we will simply multiply both numerator and denominator by the set. Now let's look at the B. B, the same way, we have 1 over 4 root 5. This is the same as 1 over 4 root 5 times root of 5 over root of 5. It's just like multiplied by 1. Root of 5 over root of 5 is the same as 1. So the left hand side and the right hand side are the same again. Simplify, we multiply both numerators. That's 1 times root of 5 will give us root of 5 all over 4 times 1 will give us 4. Then root of 5 times root of 5 will give us 5. We simplify our answer to get 1 over 20 root 5. So basically, that is how we simplify or we rationalize sets with monomial denominators. Now we look at how to rationalize sets with binomial denominators. How to rationalize sets with binomial denominators. Example of sets with binomial denominators are 1 over 3 minus root of 2, 1 over 1 plus 5 root 11, 2 plus root of 5 over 3 minus 4 root 7, etc. You can see that for each of these examples, the denominator has a set in it and has 2 terms. The denominator contains 2 terms. Now let's look at how to rationalize these examples. Solutions. A. We have 1 over 3 minus root of 2. Now, before you can rationalize these examples, you should understand what we refer as the conjugate of a surd. So, NB. Conjugate of a surd. Now, we say the conjugate of a surd, given A plus B root C, you say that the conjugate of A plus B root C is simply A minus B root C. That we just change the operation sign from addition to subtraction. The same way, the conjugate of A minus B root C is A plus B root C. Another example will be, let's say if you have M minus N root S. The conjugate of M minus N root S is simply M plus N root S. That we simply change the operation sign. If it's addition, we change to subtraction. If it's subtraction, we will change to addition. So let's use this idea or this concept to rationalize our surds with binomial denominators. So the A, 1 over 3 minus root of 2 will be the same as 1 over 3 minus root of 2 times, here what we do is that we multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 3 minus root of 2. We multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 3 minus 2. So this will be 1 over 3 minus root of 2 times 3 plus root of 2 over 3 plus root of 2. That is, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Now, simplifying this, we have 1 times 3 plus root of 2 times 3 minus root of 2 times 3 plus root of 2. This will give us 1 times 3, which is 3. 1 times root of 2, which is root of 2. All over 3 times 3 plus root of 2 minus root of 2 times 3 plus root of 2. This will give us 3 plus root of 2 over 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times root of 2 is positive 3 root 2. Minus root of 2 times 3 is minus 3 root 2. Minus 1 times minus 1. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Then root of 2 times root of 2 is 2. Simplifying, this is 3 plus root of 2 over, here we have 9. So we have 9. Positive 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will give us 0. So if ignore that one, then we have minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Simplifying gives us 3 plus root of 2 over 9 minus 2, which is 7. Here we may choose to leave our answer in this form, or we can leave our answer as 3 over 7 plus root of 2 over 7. That is, the 7 affects the 3 separately and it also affects the root of 2 separately. Now we take note that from this steps, we can use the difference of two squares to simplify, and that is much easier. That is, you can write it as 1 times 3 plus root of 2 over, here we take note that this is the difference of two squares. So you can simply write this one as 3 squared minus root of 2 square. And this will give us the same answer. That simplifying will give us 3 plus root of 2 over 9 minus 2. That is root of 2 square is 2. Which is the same as what we have here. So briefly, that is how we simplify or we rationalize surds with binomial denominators. We simply multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, and I've explained what I mean by the conjugate of a surd. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye bye.